Medlar, comically known as open arse fruit, hails from southwestern Asia and Turkey. With a soft, squishy texture and a flavor similar to cinnamon applesauce, this very late ripening fruit has been gaining popularity with fruit growers in temperate North America. Medlars are typically picked while still hard on the tree, and if possible, just after the first frost, which really helps to trigger the ripening process. At the nursery, I have two bearing medlar trees, and I'm a little late harvesting this year, so my yields are going to be much smaller than I would have expected. But that's okay because I grow medlar mostly as a novelty and not as a staple food crop. Medlar has a lot more going for it than the fruit. In temperate North America, this tree is relatively disease-free. There's not a whole lot that affects them. And in the spring, the white, showy flowers are very beautiful to look at and attract pollinators. Medlars undergo a unique ripening process called bletting, and I'm going to show you the different color variations here. This one here is just starting to blet, it's getting dark in color. And I'm going to show you side by side. The one that's darker is nice and squishy, the one that's paler is still hard. Eating medlar is a unique experience as well. It has a soft but firm texture that's slightly grainy, and it really does taste a lot like a cinnamon flavored applesauce. Here's one I found while sorting through my fruit that is not ideal. You can see it's all cracked and it's starting to blet, but it's no good. With my harvest ready to go, it's time to bring them up to the house to prepare them for bletting. Preparing medlars for bletting is a simple process, but it does require some monitoring. Put them in a paper bag so they are in a dark and cool space, and monitor them on a daily basis for bletting. Take the ones out that are bletted and let the ones that are still need some time blet some more, and they're not all going to be ready at the same time. Once my medlars are ready, I think this year I'm going to try out making a medlar cheese. Look it up.